So we're not going to sit here and go through every single page. But again, the point is that you need to familiarize yourself with the data. You need to kind of live and breathe the data a little bit, because this is going to spark things in your mind. It's already sparking things in my mind. I'm just kind of filing it away to share with you as we get to that stage. But you got to sit here with your data scientist mindset and pick up different things, right? So we talked about things that you could be doing analytically versus things you can be doing with data science, right? I want you to hold that in your mind. Let me get back to the chat here real quick. I think Ravindran's asking some important questions. Sir, can you give some suggestions to understand the data set from domains? I mean from different domains. So can you give some suggestions to understand the data sets from different domains? You know, Ravindran, there's no shortcuts there. It's basically what I'm going through right now. Give me your raw data and give me the corresponding data dictionary. You're going to be asking that of your clients and your stakeholders and everybody else in the future, right? And there's no shortcuts there, because once they hand that over to you, that's the work. That's the work of a data scientist. Now you got to sit there and you got to read through it. You kind of have to develop a feel for the numbers. You have to look at how they've laid things out. Eunice earlier mentioned the categories. You have to get a feel for the categories. What are my categorical variables? What are my scalar variables, right? What are my ranges? Some of you mentioned earlier about how the data could be skewed. Well, it could be skewed by age, right? So give me the age range that is in my data. So Ravindran, there's no shortcuts here. This is the work of a data scientist, right? This is where, as we say in the US, the rubber meets the road. You got to do the work. At this point, we're at a good stage, because I feel like we're empowered to do the work. We have the data, we have the data dictionary, but now we have to use our skills and actually carry out the work. Hungry Ben says, I only know Python. Is it okay? Because that's the language I'm good at. I'm trying to avoid these types of questions right now, because I'm trying to keep us focused on the class. So if anybody else has questions on the class or the materials I'm covering, please let me know. But Ben, welcome to the chat. I see that you're new. Yes, you're going to be just fine with Python. Don't worry about it. And maybe I'll do some Python courses in the future.